What's up guys, Ed here from TechSource, and today I'm going to show you how to unlock your iPhone 5s so you can use it on any carrier or country you like. For this demonstration, I am going to use my T-Mobile iPhone 5s and unlock it so I can use it on my AT&T network. So first off, we need to get the unlock code for the phone before we proceed with the unlocking procedure. I personally use the unlockingcompany.com for all my devices simply because they have the lowest prices in the market with the fastest delivery speeds. So head on over to the unlockingcompany.com, and once you're there, you're going to be selecting your phone manufacturer and the phone model from the drop down list. And once you do that, select get unlocking code, which takes you to the next step, which is to select what country you purchased the phone from, as well as the carrier of the phone. And please remember that this is the carrier that the phone is originally purchased from. You will need the phone's IMEI number to continue, and I'm going to show you how to look it up on your iPhone. It's actually really simple. Just open up your dial pad and enter in *#06#, and the number will immediately show up, and you will need to enter that on the website to continue. Make sure to select the correct currency for your country before moving on. Once you select get unlocking code and purchase it securely with PayPal, they will unlock your phone remotely and send you an email with instructions on how to complete the process, which I will show you now. So once you receive your email stating that the iPhone 5s is unlocked, you have to finish the unlocking process on your end. So before we continue, make sure that the phone is powered off. Go ahead and remove the SIM tray and insert your SIM card that's from another carrier into the slot. If your SIM card is a different size, then you have to adjust it in order for it to fit. There is a link in the description below to show you how it's done. So after you insert the SIM tray back into your phone, go ahead and boot it back up. After it completes the boot up, you will get an invalid SIM message on your phone, which is normal. You are going to have to connect your iPhone 5s to your computer with your USB cable. Once it's connected, open up iTunes and wait for your phone to be recognized. Once it gets recognized, it will ask you to sign in to complete the unlocking process. So go ahead and enter in your login and password and hit continue. Shortly after, you will get a message stating that your phone is now unlocked and you can begin using it immediately. Anyways, that is how you unlock your iPhone 5s. If this video helped you guys out, feel free to leave a like, and if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to leave them in the comment section down below, and I will respond as soon as possible. This is Ed from TechSource, and I will see you next time.